The designer's job is to keep things in motion. We want to create a true classic. Introducing CIGA Design X Series. The X-shaped cross structure cleverly encloses 4 stable triangles with the case. The design of the fully hollow visual movement allows you to see the time in motion. Unique visual beauty. Original double shell structure inside and outside. Inspired by the independent suspension system of SUV models, the 4-corner independent spring suspension system was designed. When the watch case collides, it can cushion the inner case and the movement. This is the perfect display of craftsmanship and complexity. It is the combination of imagination and creativity that carries our passion for crafts and art. It is avant-garde, innovative, mechanical, and bold. It's the sound of the time to touch the beauty in motion, to keep every independent mind alive. CIGA, for those who desire to be different.